morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are good at your home. Today we are going to learn a new topic for you, that is figure of speech. Now what is figure of speech? A figure of speech is a special form of expression which expresses ideas more effectively. The figure of speech add beauty to the language and are called the ornaments of language. Poets use them more often than prose writer, and some of the figures of speech are explained below. Now today we are going to learn only 10 figure of speech. Number first is alliteration. Alliteration means consonant sounds are repeated generally in the beginning of words to create musical effect. First example, and loves to live in the sun. In the first sentence, the sound L is repeated and S is repeated in the second illustration and at the beginning of the two or more words creating a musical effect. जैसे फर्स्ट लेटर म्यूजिकल इफेक्ट में रिपीट होता है उसको बोलते हैं alliteration. Only letter is repeated. Now second figure of speech, that is repetition. Repetition में words repeat होते हैं. Words are repeated in a line to create greater effect. Come hither, come hither, come hither. These two words are repeated 3 times in each sentence. Alone, alone, all alone. Explanation. Words alone and all are repeated for the sake of emphasis. Now third figure of speech, that is onomatopoeia. Words suggest the sound made by a person or some object. कोई भी पर्सन या ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए कोई वर्ड सजेस्ट किया जाता है वो फिगर ऑफ स्पीच को बोलते हैं onomatopoeia. He gave his plums a twitch and toes. The words twitch and toes represent the sounds produced by the fluttering of feathers of a bird. Now simile. Simile क्या है? It is a comparison between the two unlike object. दो unlike object को comparison करते हैं और इसमें से कोई भी एक common point निकालते हैं. Words of expression like as, like, these are used in simile. जैसे she was fair as a star, तो as और उसको कंपेयर किया है, that is simile. Now she lucky is compared to a star. Fairness is a common point and the word of comparison as is used. Life is like a dream. Life is compared to a dream. Life को compare किया है. Both pass away quickly. The word of comparison like is used. Now fifth figure of speech is metaphor. Metaphor means it is an impulse comparison between two unlike things. No words of comparison is used. इसके अंदर दो words का comparison नहीं होता है. But both the object are spoken as of. लेकिन जो object के बारे में जो बोला गया है वो सेम ही होता है. जैसे example, a violet by a mossy stone. So there is an implicit comparison between lucky and a violet flower. Both of them are spoken of as one. The sea is our mother and the cloud is our brother. यानी ये दोनों में कंपैरिजन किया गया है कि सी है वो मदर की तरह है और क्लाउड है वो ब्रदर की तरह है. So there is an impelled comparison between sea and mother, cloud and brother. Both of them are spoken of the one. Now the next figure of speech is personification. Means inanimate object and abstract notions are spoken of as having life. They are given human qualities. The poetry of earth is never dead. कवि की कविताएं कभी नहीं मरती है. तो explanation, the poetry is described as the living being capital of dying. The year is dying in the night. The year is given the human quality of dying. Now next figure of speech is apostrophe. It is a direct address to a dead of an absent person to an inanimate object or an idea. यानी कहीं भी जगह अगर apostrophe होता है तो वो होता है apostrophe figure of speech and it is a direct address to a dead friend. Life of life, the lips enkindle with their love and the breath between them. It is a direct address to Asia, the wife Prometheus. Now the next figure of speech is euphemism. Euphemism यानी disagreeable or harsh thing are described in an agreeable way or in a mild or less unpleasant way. Add miles to go before I sleep. Explanation. हार्श थिंग डेथ इज स्पोकन ऑफ इन स्लीप, यानी डेथ की बातें की गई है स्लीप के साथ, अ माइल्ड एक्सप्रेशन में. फ्यू क्लाउड्स नोन व्हेन लकी चीज टू बी, तो हार्श फैक्ट ऑफ लकीज डेथ इज स्पोकन ऑफ इन अ माइल्ड वे. फिर नेक्स्ट फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज ट्रांसफर्ड एपिटेंट, एंड एपिटेंट यानी एडजेक्टिव इज transferred and if it is transferred from the person to note, an adjective is transferred from its proper word to another word closely associated with it in the sentence. तो adjective है वो transferred from its proper place से हो गया है to another with the one another, और वो closely associated करता है within the sentence. For example, and tune he is merry not. Explanation. Here is epithet merry is transferred from the person to note. The person is merry and not the note. Now the second example, the happiest draught thou hast drunk this day. Now explanation. Here is epithet happiest is transferred from the person drinking to the draught. Now the last figure of speech is epigram. It is a brief pointed statement which attracts attention and expresses a profound idea. They also serve who stands and wait. For example, it is a pointed statement about those who follow the will of God and wait. यानी ये जो brief pointed statement है ना, वो एकदम attraction करता है and express a profound idea. Second example, we pass our life in the midst of death. Explanation. This pointed statement tells us how we live amidst death. ठीक है? Okay students, bye bye.